Good afternoon, guys. Now we are going to test this BRF indoor board. The problem of this before was dead set, but unfortunately I'm not able to find this oscillator of this regulator oscillator. I cannot find the exact value. Now what I did was to modify this power supply so that it works, because this oscillator, which which is the responsible to turn on the gate of this switching regulator transistor, it is not available the exact part number. See, now I'm going to test right now if it is working. This one, I will switch on the breaker and then we'll observe if it is working. Okay, now we have to on the switch. Now it's on. We'll wait until the fan motor is going to work. Now fan motor is working right now. See, it's working. I modify this guide the circuits of this due to unavailable of this spare part number. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Until next video, switch off.